son who's sitting at the end of a row, and her initials are RR. Come on down. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. Her face is turning as pink as her dress. How pretty. How pretty. Reagan, you are the April superstar because you are a confident, articulate speaker. You are a person full of inquiry and wonder. She's an engaged listener with electrifying enthusiasm and a great sense of humor. Electrifying enthusiasm, what's that? What do you think?
I'd be really good.
And you'd be really good, right, and maybe even a little shocking. Electrifying. Okay, you go up on that stage, Reagan. Everybody, give her a big hand.
Reagan.
Good up there. Okay, one more from the same class. Daryl